Today's technology is transforming the classroom as we know it. Many students can absorb subject matter from a remote environment. They can thrive with a hybrid learning option. Things have changed drastically in the last few years, and the transformation shows no signs of slowing. The four walls of the classroom are no longer seen as necessary for students to absorb information, communicate with classmates, and work together to solve problems. The Internet has paved the way for educational transformation and has solved many of the issues faced today as we navigate these challenging times. For instance, sharing school supplies can be a thing of the past. The Internet allows you to showcase your digital solutions for notepaper, drawing utensils, and other helpful tools. EdTech companies can use the Internet and technology in general to showcase their product as productively and efficiently as possible.